Okay, Mary, here we go. This isn't a Humminbird unit. This is my Garmin, but it's almost the same exact premise. This is a side view unit, which if you get a side view unit, you'll get all the same features. So I'm going to go into my settings real quick and turn on my simulator. So I can give you a better understanding of what's going on here. Now, if you get a side imaging unit, what you're going to get is you are going to get both your traditional sonar, which looks like this. It's all the lines and all the fish will show up as arches on the screen. Right there you'll see, actually those are weeds coming up. Okay, so you'll get that. There's some fish right there. You'll get that. You'll get down imaging, which is a 3D picture of what's on the bottom. So you can better pick out, what weeds look like that are going all the way up through the water column and things like that. Those little dots right there, those are fish. Okay, and then you'll also get side view. See, there's stuff laying on the bottom right there. Those are the weeds down there. There's a tire pile that you can see. Now, if you get a side imaging unit from Humminbird, you will get all three of those features. If you just get a down imaging unit, this is what you'll get. You'll get down imaging, and then you'll also get traditional 2D sonar. That's if you just get a down imaging unit. Those are the only two types of sonar that you'll be able to see. If you get just a regular traditional mapping combo, you will just get this as far as sonar. But with all three of those units, you will also get maps. You'll be able to see charts. You'll be able to see charts and maps. Now, right now, let me zoom out. It's showing my position. But if I went to a lake, if I move my cursor around to a lake that I've been to, this is showing that I'm in Miami because it's in simulator mode. Let's go to my area here in Iowa. Here's a lake that I frequent a lot, McBride. It'll show you, there's contour maps and everything like that. I built a map basically by driving over it. That's what AutoChart Live is on a Humminbird unit. See, it built a map of whatever I drove over. And that's the only places that I drove over right there, was that it built a map at. But that is what you get if you end up getting a side imaging unit. You get all three different types of sonar, and you can actually pull them all up at once too. This is the same. This isn't just for Garmin. This is the same for a Humminbird. You can actually set side view, you can set traditional, and you can set down imaging. So I can find stuff on the side imaging, I can view it on the down imaging, and then I can get a truer picture with the sonar to see what's fish and what's not. Like these little arches right here, those are fish. So I hope I gave you a better idea of what you're kind of looking for, and I didn't confuse you anymore. But like I said, again, if you get a side imaging unit from Humminbird, you will get all three of these sonars plus maps, plus GPS. So there you go.